Good morning and Assalamu alaikum to all the students of grade 1. How are you all? I'm your teacher, Ma'am Rima. And students, today I'm so happy that we are going to meet on Monday. From Monday onwards, we'll have our regular classes. So, this is your last online class because we will see each other face to face from Monday. So I'm very excited. I hope you all are also very excited. Okay, class, so today's lecture is about quiz yourself. This is your lecture 33 on GC 29th Jan 2021, and today is Friday. Basically, we are going to do some pages of workbook, some pages which you have at the last of your workbook. The last pages of workbook, these pages are basically the quiz pages. So today you have to quiz yourself. First you have to think, I'll help you out in doing those pages, but first you have to think about yourself, that what you have to do in those pages. So first of all, take out your workbook. Okay class, so this is the first page. This is page number 90 of your workbook, and that page is very easy. We have done all these chapters, so you can do this page very easily. I just want to read this for you and I'll give you little clues, but I know you all can do it by yourself. Ourselves. Draw a line to link each part of the face with the correct sense. First one is nose, and what we do with the nose: hearing, taste, smell, or sight. You have to match it with the correct sense. Then we have eye. What we do with the eye, we hear, taste, smell, or it's used for sight. You have to match it with the correct sense. Then ear, what we used to do with the ear. And then mouth, what we do with the mouth. We hear with the mouth, or we taste with the mouth. You have to match it with the correct sense. And then at the end it's written self-review. How do I feel about this question? You have to make a happy face, or whatever you feel about the question, you have to make a face like that in that circle. Then 2 is look at the outline of the body, label the head, arms, legs, hands and feet. Label the head, arms, legs, hands and feet, and also draw the missing parts of the face. The eyes are missing, nose are missing. Make a face of that boy. And also, how do I feel about this question? Make a face. How do you feel about this question? This is the first page. You have to do it by yourself. This is so easy. You can do it by yourself. Okay, so this is page 91. And join the dots to make an animal. You join the dots and make an animal. And which animal is that? I know you all know that this is a tiger. What is the animal called? Write the animal name as it is tiger. Write tiger in A. Does this animal have good hearing? Yes class, do you think that tiger has a good hearing? Yes, tiger has a very good hearing. You can write yes over here, because why tigers have very good hearing? As their sense of hearing help them in hunting their prey. As they hear that something is somewhere from very far apart, they have a very good sense of hearing. Does this animal have good sight? Yes, they have a very good sight. At the daytime they have a sight as like the human beings, but at the night time their sense of sight is 6 times more as we have. So they can see more clearly at night, but in daytime they have a sense of sight like the human beings have. So does this animal have good sight? So you will write yes here. Now what is it made of? Follow the curly lines to find an object that matches each property. Write the property in the box next to each object. First one is our stuffed toys. You know that stuffed toy is soft, so you have to write soft in the box. Then that is mirror. Mirror is shiny, as I have written. Then it's a scale and it is bendy, so you will write bendy. And then it's a table, that the table has a property that it is hard, so you will write hard here. How do I feel about this question? So you have to make the face, how do you feel about this question, and also in the above you have to make a piece that how do you feel about that question. Okay, so this is page 92. Tick first question is tick the material that is waterproof. First one is paper towel, then cloth, and then plastic bag. Now you have to do it by yourself. I will check that do you know the answer or not. Tick the material that is waterproof. Then find the missing jigsaw pieces to complete the sentences. You have a 3 jigsaw puzzles at the end: saucepans, break, and stretch. So you have to write the correct answer in the puzzles. Elastic bands will saucepans, break, or stretch. Write the correct answer. Then metals are hard and useful for saucepans, break, or stretch. Write the correct answer. I'm not going to tell you, you have to do it by yourself. Bridges cannot be made from paper because they would saucepans, break, or stretch. Write the correct answer. The 3 answers are given at the end. You have to choose the correct answer for the upper puzzles. How do I feel about the question? You also have to make a face here, that how do you feel about this question. Now next page. Okay, so this is page 93. This is also very interesting page. Follow the maze to find out what the animal is doing. Circle the answer. Now you have to complete this maze and you have to find out that what the animal is doing. Either the animal is sleeping, either it is eating, or either it is running. So you have to find the correct answer by drawing a line that where it reaches. Complete the sentence. Living things can breathe, eat, and grow. What comes here? Breathe, eat. Yes. M stands for, yes, move. Self-review. How do I feel about the question? You have to make a face here. Then tick the pictures that show living things. First one is a plant. If it is a living thing, you will put tick in it. Next is hammer. If it is a living thing, you will put a tick in it. You know that hammer is living or non-living. Then it's a stone. If it is a living thing, then you have to put a tick. Stone is a living thing? Yes, class? No. Then it's a rat. Rat is a living thing or not? You have to put a tick if it is a living thing. You have to do this page and then again you have to make a face that how do I feel about this question. Now come towards the last page of today. Okay, the last page of today, this is also very interesting page. Label the parts of the plant. The first part, you know, it's a flower, then leaf, then stem, and then roots. Label it. Then we can eat some parts of plants. Which part of a plant do these foods come from? Yes, that's also very interesting. Write L for leaves. Yet what are leaves? First it's carrot, then it's a cauliflower, then it's a celery, and then it's a lemon. So you know that which is a leaf. Yes, the cauliflower is a leaf, so you will write L there. Then write S for stem. Which is stem? Celery is a stem. You will write S after celery. Then write F for fruit. Which is a fruit here? Yes, lemon is a fruit here, so you will write F with the lemon, and then write R for roots. Yes, carrots are roots, so you will write R with the carrots. Self-review. How do I feel about this question? You have to make a face over here. These pages you all have to do today. Okay class, this was all for today. Do this work and try to do it by yourself first. Take very good care of yourself, students, and see you in school now. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.